A couple years ago, we bought a house, and we have a living room. What the previous owners had done is taken down the wall and made it and vaulted the ceilings. So it was one great room, and they put in two skylights. The problem was this: it kind of gets the sun all the time in the summer and none of the time in the winter. So we were always hot or always cold. We had never done, or I had never done, any HVAC stuff in the past. We saw the MRCOOL systems, looked at YouTube reviews, and saw that it was a DIY system. I had gotten some estimates. The MRCOOL ended up saving us about $2,000. We decided to go with the 18K single zone unit. I was more than pleasantly surprised. I was, I was thrilled that it was quiet. I couldn't hear anything. It cooled down insanely fast, to the point now where the room is almost too cold most of the time. We haven't gotten out of temperatures where we need to really turn it on for much longer. All the reasons you think you can't do it can be done, and they've been accounted for by the techs and the staff at the MRCOOL.